What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to Digital Knowledge. In today's quick tutorial, you are gonna see how to use FreeUp storage space on Windows without deleting the personal files. So, how you can free up your storage space? So, let me just show you. You have to go to your search option, then search for Run, and then just write clean temp and accidentally wrote temp. Write temp, click or press on enter. This will lead you to this page. Press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. Press Shift plus delete to delete all of these permanently. Press enter or yes again. Click on continue. And then go for run again. And here write percentage, 10%, and click on OK. Now press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, then press Shift plus delete to delete all of them permanently. Click on yes and click check mark this. Click on skip. Do this for all current items. Click and let it do its job. This might take a while. And once it's done, move out from here and then just go to the search option. Search for disk cleanup. You will find this. And select your C drive. Click on OK or any drive you want. And then check mark on all of them. And then click on clean up system files. And once it is done, your storage space might be clearer a lot than usual. And you can also try to uninstall unused programs. So let me show you how you can do this. Go to search for control panel. And here go to this programs options. And here go to uninstall a program. Now here you will find all the programs that is installed in your computer. So if you want any one of them that is not you're using, then you can uninstall it. So let me show you how you can uninstall. You just have to right click on it. Right click on it or here click on uninstall, or you can right click and click on uninstall in here and it will be uninstalled. And the last but not the least is you can try to move your files to external drive or cloud storage like any CD or any sort of pen drive, or you can try the Google Drive or any cloud storage like you can also use any sort of cloud storage like any one of them available on the internet. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.